In this video, I will show you how to make a collage in Instagram story. So if you actually want to do that, you can head over and click on this your story, or you can also click on this plus icon in the bottom. When you click on your story right here, you can see this. So you can head over right here on your camera and you can create a layout. Click on this icon right here, which is the layout icon, and you can change also the layout. As of right now, it's 4x4, but you can also change it into 2x2 just like this, or also this 3 spaces, 2 spaces, or also 6 spaces, right? So in this, you can actually upload some pictures if you want to use on this collage that you have. For me, I'll head over and then uploading here a story of some coffees and flowers. Now you can see right here that I have now this collage that I have. Now head over and click on this check icon right here in order to save it. And you can actually share it on your Instagram story, or also your Facebook story right here. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, so you can like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.